I'm doing this for my brother, my friend, and I want everyone to see this and to benefit of it. So tell us about New Generation Farm.
So this is Next Generation Farm City, located at Cocoa and Plantain Village, here in Abela.
Well, I know we're in Abela, exactly. Very serene environment.
Exactly. So it is our land banking plus agricultural scheme. Also, Woli is an opportunity for you to own multiple plots of land and also earn on your land, pending while it appreciates.
Awesome.
So imagine if
you own it totally.
Yeah, exactly.
And you are seeing any money.
Exactly.
I love that.
So you own it for life, not even for life. You know there's some farm that they will tell you to invest in. Meanwhile, they will take the land back for you.
So this one you own it.
You own it forever. But while you wait for the land to appreciate, you will be earning from it.
Awesome.
Through cocoa and plantain farming investments. So imagine you are earning about 1.2 to 1.5 million on your plantain alone. Every year. Annually.
And how much is it to acquire?
To acquire the cocoa and plantain farm, yes. 1 acre comes with 500 trees of cocoa and plantain.
1 acre, 500 trees
of cocoa and plantain.
How much is that?
5.7 million, all inclusive.
Now, once I pay 5.7 million, I've acquired a farmland.
Exactly, a farmland.
And I will keep making money here.
Yeah, exactly.
What are you waiting for? What made you do this?
So apparently, over some time now, we noticed that some of our investors, they keep saying, Ezekiel can rally.
Just buying nothing.
You understand? So we thought of it that, okay, what about we create an avenue whereby you can buy land while it appreciates.
And there's farm.
Exactly.
I'm doing this for my brother. I said, let me, because this part of our discounted ads that we are doing. And I said, I must come here and I must say what you're doing is incredible. How many acres do you say you have?
We have 350 acres of land. And I say acquiring.
They are acquiring more. For a young person doing this incredible thing, and a prophet is here to speak this word. And I pray that you will not go down.
Amen.
Higher shall you go.
Amen.
Your days of increase have come.
Amen.
Jesus.
Amen. So we'll be expecting to,
price
is increasing very soon by the end of this month. So now, because of you. Because Woli is on site.
Yes.
Just enter our DM. Woli is the code. You get 10% discount. But
10% discount. You are doing this for us. Yeah. You will never go down. Amen. God bless you, my brother.
Amen. Thank you so much.
So for some of my investors who have been asking, I don't want to buy audio farmland. I want to see what I want to buy, and because of you, we have made this trip down here. The Next Generation Farm here in Ofuakwe Village in Abela, Lagos, Nigeria. Abela, Ogun State, Nigeria. What we are doing here is that we are going to be intercropping our cocoa and our plantain here on this same land. Clearing of the farm will start in essence as from this month end, because we are starting the first batch of planting this December 2025 with 1 million naira initial deposit and a spread payment of 3 and 6 months. You can key in. So 1 acre presently is selling for 5.7 all inclusive with an initial deposit of 1 million. So somebody is asking, okay, how big is the farm? Trust me, it's very, very big. It's a large acres of land. Now this is actually the secret. If you want to be the first set of people whose cocoa and plantain will be planted this December, then you really need to hurry, because we only have we'll be closing sales very soon so that we can focus. Now this is not a case of overselling. There's a required number of acres that we need to eat. So once we eat that number of acres, we'll be closing sales and we might resume later on. So the purpose of closing sales is that let us plant, okay, for those who have made payments, okay, so that we will know that, okay, fine, these people's farm is being cultivated, their money is being invested. You see, this place may look a little bit deserted, but you see, what you are seeing here is gold. Farming right now is gold. A truck of cassava right now is being sold for over 25 to 30 million. Imagine 1 ton of cocoa. The last time it was sold for close to 12 to 13 million. So a lot of people don't pay attention to this, because you see, many people are still yet to realize that Africa is where the real resources are being, harvested and transported to other parts of the country. So whether you are in diaspora, anytime you have seen this video, I'm here live on site giving you an update for you to see what you're about to invest in, to let you know that it is authentic, it is genuine. Other investors are coming. So if you want to be among the first part of people whose farm will be cultivated, your payment has to come before 29th, which is this particular Saturday. So any payment after that, your planting will be the next planting season. Take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. So for more information, give me a call. Thank you. Welcome to Next Generation Farm.